Unit 2, Installing IBM Tivoli Storage Manager. The objectives for this unit: when you complete this unit, you can perform the following tasks. You'll be able to install Tivoli Storage Manager Server, Administration Center, Backup Archive Clients, and the Administrative Command Line. In this class, we're going to be using the installation wizards. You could also use a command line. For all the details on doing your installation and preparing for your installation, refer to the documentation. It's always a good idea to check the IBM website to verify the requirements for your system. What do you get when you install Tivoli Storage Manager Server? The Tivoli Storage Manager database. Now this is running on a DB2 platform, but is not considered a DB2 database. It is the TSM database. Along with the database, you'll have your recovery log. This is actually 2 required logs and 2 optional logs that help you return to a consistent state if you need to restore your database. You'll have 3 predefined random access disk storage pools: backup pool, archive pool, and space management pool. These storage pools will have a device class predefined as well for disk. These are your destination pools. There's a predefined policy called standard. In the standard policy, the destination for backup data is backup pool, archive data is archive pool. There's also a server options file called dsmserv.opt. In this file, which lives in the server directory, you're going to be able to set different parameters and options for your server. We'll be working with the dsmserv.opt file after you do the installation. Also in the TSM server, you have schedules. These schedules can be used to automate functions like backing up your database, backing up your storage pools, running reclamation, migration, expiration. Don't worry, we'll get into all of this a little bit later. System requirements. This class is written for 6.3.0, but you can apply the latest version with this. Just make sure you go to the IBM website and look for your system requirements. Also listed on the website is the supported platforms. This does change by different release. As our operating systems change, our support changes with them. The Tivoli Storage Manager Administration Center, which is part of the Tivoli Integrated Portal, is a separately installed component. What the Administration Center provides is the ability to manage multiple servers from a single location. We'll be using both command line and the Administration Center to perform tasks in this class. The requirements for the Tivoli Integrated Portal, which has the Administration Center in it, are listed here. Go to the website and make sure that the requirements for the current version of TSM can be met by your systems. One component that can be installed separately with the Tivoli Integrated Portal is the Tivoli Common Reporting. When you install the Tivoli Integrated Portal in the Administration Center, you have the option to then install Tivoli Common Reporting as well. Tivoli Enterprise Portal, Data Warehouse, and Integrated Portal will all be part of the installation. On your servers that you're monitoring, you'll have the IBM Tivoli Storage Manager Monitoring Agent. In our class, we will not be installing Tivoli Common Reporting, but there is a different class that is totally on using Tivoli Common Reporting. One note: Tivoli Common Reporting uses a DB2 database with the IBM Tivoli monitoring. Now this database does not work with the TSM server database. Both are in DB2 platforms, different versions of DB2, and do not play well together on the same system. So if you're going to be installing Tivoli Common Reporting, consider having a dedicated machine that is not running a TSM server. You could have one system set up just to do Tivoli Common Reporting and use the Administration Center.